Everyone is talking about the coronavirus COVID-19, and everywhere you look, there is information on the virus and how to protect yourself from it. Misinformation during a health crisis leaves people unprotected and vulnerable to the diseases and spreads fear and stigmatization. So far, Pakistan has fared well in this fight against the COVID-19. WHO focuses on different aspects of COVID-19 response in each country, but in Pakistan, the organization has been involved on every level and has had a significant impact. The severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 emerged in December 2019 and then spread rapidly worldwide, particularly to China, Japan, and South Korea. Scientists are endeavoring to find antivirals specific to the virus. Several drugs such as chloroquine, Arbidol, remdesivir, and favipiravir are currently undergoing clinical studies to test their efficacy and safety in the treatment of coronavirus diseases 2019. So here is the Pakistan statistic last updated 27 April 2021. So here are the confirmed cases in Pakistan like 8,04,939 and in last 24 hours it is 4,487 and the deaths are 17,329 and from last 24 hours it is 142 and the recovered patients cases are 6,99,816 and from last 24 hours it is 5,770 and here are the critical cases in Pakistan 5,075 and from last 24 hours it is 213 cases. Here are the province-wise cases in Pakistan like in KPK it is 1,14,661 and in from Punjab it is 2,93,468 and from Balochistan it is 21,803 and from Islamabad it is 73,804 and from Azad Jammu Kashmir it is 16,659 and from last 24 hours it is 5,272 cases. And here are the class of drugs that used against the coronavirus if a patient is asymptomatic responses. The Panadol 2 tablets 3 times daily for fever and pains. Tab Levormextin 6 mg 2 tablet daily for 7 days. Tablet Faxid D 60 mg 1 tablet in evening. Syrup Acifil cup 2 tablespoon in warm cup of water and add 1 tablespoon honey in it. Tablet Nubrol Fort once or twice daily for itches and pains. Tablet Cervex Z once daily. Syrup Zincate 1 tablespoon twice a day. The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan has granted permission for conducting the clinical trials of plasma therapy of COVID-19 patients. Here are the most commonly drugs against the COVID-19 patients. The antibiotic drugs azithromycin and levofloxacin are most commonly used. And here are the product names that can be taken. Exomax 250 mg capsules and Moxijet 400 mg. And here are the anti-allergic drugs corticoid dexamethasone and the brand name is Eldron 0.5 mg tablets and Decadron 4 mg milliliter injection. And here are the antiviral drugs Ninavir Liofilizide and its brand name are Favipiravir drugs and Remdesivir injection 100 mg. So here are the drugs that are used against the COVID-19 patient in Pakistan. And here are the supplements that can be taken: vitamin C, calcium 1000, Abocal, Redozo and methylcolamine 500 mg and the zinc Oriris Polybion Z. The observation is about no proven effective therapies for this virus currently exist. The most promising therapy is Remdesivir has potent in vitro activity against the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, but it is not US Food and Drug Administration approved and currently it is being tested in ongoing randomized trials. Oseltamivir has not been shown to have efficacy and corticosteroids are currently not recommended. Current clinical evidence does not support stopping angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors or angiotensin receptors blockers in patients with COVID. Here are the references that is the evidence of this report, and here is the end of this lecture. Thank you very much for your attention.